Hello everyone, today I will show you how you can download all the fonts from fontshare.com at once. So you have to enter on the website, open developer tool, enter on the Satoshi page, go to network, refresh the page, search for Satoshi, open this link, this kind of link, and you are able to see here the font. Remove from the link Satoshi and slug, press enter. This is V2, and here you have to right click, inspect, go to console and paste the next script. Make sure the v2 matches here with the v2. If it changes, you can adapt the script and then press enter. If you are not able to paste the script, you have to type a low script or something like this and then paste the script and press enter. You have to press enter now, and all the fonts are going to be listed here. I will copy every single font from here, right click, copy, and here are 100 fonts. You are going to be able to see 100 fonts, convert case, 100 words, lines here. Okay, you are going to open all urls.com, paste the URLs here and open them, and here you are able to open all URLs at once, click, and that's it. You're going to download all the fonts at once. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.